Hey guys, it's Tori with Tesla Tips and Tricks. I'm in a 2024 Model S loaner from the Tesla Service Center while my Model X is getting a repair. And I've really enjoyed having this car. It's a great car. And one of the things I've noticed on this Model S is the screen actually tilts left or right. So it's a little bit of an Easter egg, and a lot of people don't know it does this. And so I wanted to show you how to do it. This is only on the newer Model S's and Model X's here, but you tap the vehicle. And by the way, if it doesn't come up fully, you can slide out that way when you tap the vehicle. But you'll notice on this main screen, it says display. If I tap that, you can see I have an option to make it angle towards the driver. And now it's like I've got a little bit of this kind of cockpit feeling angled towards me, a little easier driving. But you can also angle it towards the passenger. So maybe they want to be controlling the radio or doing stuff while you're driving, or heck, maybe it's just they want to put it in theater mode and watch TV or YouTube while you're in the store shopping. They can angle it towards them, and then the middle option puts it back flat like that. So pretty cool little Easter egg a lot of people don't know about. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next one.